Okay, today we have a whole bunch of U.S. postage stamps, USA, of flags. Some are the newer ones and all the way back to some of the older ones. Alright, let's start by viewing some of these. There we go. USA Forever. Flag in the wind. See all the trees up ahead. Some more Forever with the trees with leaves on. Fir trees. Equality Forever. United We Stand. The ABCs flag stamp. And just USA, a flag over Washington. Another flag just flying there. Whoops, this one's upside down. Ooh, never let it touch the ground. There we go. First class USA stamp. Ah, an 18-cent stamp. Nice one, isn't it? An Olympic one. USA G. Oh Glory. And these two are both the same for farmers. There's a Forever one. Ah, with the fall scenery on the trees. And this one has 3 flags in a row. Then just 1 flag. Then this is Honor Those Who Serve the United States of America, giving us the resemblance of a flag. And we're getting into an old one here. Long May I Wave, United States of America. A 4-cent stamp. There. Home of the Brave flag. And we have a 5-cent stamps. 1863 to 1963. International Red Cross stamp. And this one is dog tag with the flag. And look at this one, that's Forever USA. That's rather nice. Different style flag. And we get into a 6-cent one for Stars and Stripes. And 76, 6-cent stamp. Bunker Hill flag, 6-cent stamp. A 3-cent USA Star flag, giving us the red, white, and blue. And this one here, just putting the red, white, and blue through it. 1782 to 1982. And another 6 cents. Grand Union flag. 6 cents USA stamp. And look at this one. This one's very unique. USA. Very different looking resemblance, having the flag colors and everything in it. Never seen this one before. And this tiny little 6-cent stars representing the center of the flag, well, upper left-hand corner. And then this one here. Alright, so maybe the most unique one will be this one here out of this video. So I hope you've enjoyed my bringing it to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more videos of some more stamps. Got a whole bunch to show you. So be sure to share. Bye-bye.